starting from the business case, I'm going to touch very briefly the speaking points that we are going to have with our guests because I'm very excited about the discussion, and we will try to put more time there. We are going to start with the business case itself. What are the challenges that you can build your case on, and what would be the impact on the P&L? Afterwards, how to select the right software, the right technology, and the solution in general, where you can put your digital twins to live in. Then we will continue with the road and how you can achieve the digital twin and actually the project execution with regards to the different approaches, what and who needs to participate in this project to be successful, how we can handle processes and technology together, and define a crystal clear business processes in a long term that are actually implemented in the digital twin from process perspective and also from assets perspective as well. And of course, answering the question how not to kill the twin even before it's born. So we are going to discuss the do's and the don'ts for such project and for a digital twin approach, and actually how to avoid failure, not only for the physical assets, but for creating the digital twin. And it's a great honor for us to have Nikolai Gurchilov, who is a co-founder of Excito, and actually many more businesses. And we would like to welcome him into discussion and start talking what to do and what not to do to have the right solution implemented in the right time.